Hey you guys, welcome back to Find Some Food with Friends. So today I just wanted to do a little unboxing video. I had a friend of mine in Tennessee do a custom shirt for me using my video logo. So we're gonna open that up together. So first and foremost, a big thank you to Thread Up Designs and the owner Brittney and my best friend Katheryn, who has been like a mother to me. So thank you both so much for sending this, and we are opening it up now. Yay! Alright, so again, thank you so much, Brittney with Thread Up Designs and Katheryn for facilitating this for us. I greatly appreciate it. Now I don't have to be doing my videos in my wife beaters. So thank you so much, I appreciate y'all.